So for today, we're going to focus on a little bit more hip mobility and a little bit of core. So all you're going to need is a 2 kg dumbbell and yourself, and a little bit of space, so enough where you can lie flat down on the ground and you're able to roll around. So if you can get that ready, you can pause the video, get it all ready, and then start with us. Okay, so first things first, all I'm going to get you to do is just 2 hands up, reach up as high as you can. Bring your head forward and your arms back behind your head, and then back down. Breathe out as you reach up, and then back down, and reach out and breathe up. From this position, hold it there. 2 feet a little bit wider apart. Going to get you to shift your weight across onto your right leg and lean to the right, and then back to the left. Breathing out each time. Nice and smooth movement. Make sure you're getting your weight across onto that hip. Your knee will come on the inside. Your hip will get pushed out. You feel a nice stretch along here and along in the lats. And again, opposite side. Breathe out. Then turn to the side, arms up, lunge forward. Deep lunge, driving that knee forward and then back, keeping your arms up over your head. Drive that knee forward and come back. 2 more. Drive knee forward. You will feel a bit of tightness in the front of the hip when you're doing this. That's exactly what we're after. And forward again. Now, knees down on the ground in this position. It's going to be nice and easy. Right foot forward, knees directly underneath your hip. Step this just a little bit further forward, drive your knee forward, and then come back and reach down and touch your toes. Reach forward, back down, touch your toes, forward, back down, touch your toes. We'll do 5 on each side. Change over, foot forward, lunge, back down, touch your toes. Try and imagine bringing your chest down towards your thigh. Lunge forward, chest down towards your thigh. You will feel a good stretch along the hamstrings. 3 more. 1, down, 2, down, last 1, 3, and down. Sweet. Change over again. Want to go a little bit of a deeper lunge here. You're going to feel a full stretch in there. Lunge down, chest down, lunge down, chest down. You just want to pause for 2 or 3 seconds when you're in that position, making sure you're getting a good stretch, trying to lengthen that hamstring as much as you can. Last one. Good. Last one on the other side now. Knee goes forward, chest down, knee forward, chest down. Last 3 now. Should start to feel a little bit looser. Chest down. Last 2. Chest down. Last 1. Chest down. Good. Okay. Staying in the same position. Left knee down on the ground. Right leg forward. 2 arms up as high as you can. Reach to the right hand side. Reach to the left hand side. Just going to do 6 of these. It's 1, 2. Nice and slowly, don't lose your balance. 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Change legs. Arms up. Shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. 6. Sweet. Okay. Change legs again. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to bring our foot that's in forward. It's my right leg. Left hand on the outside of your thigh. And I'm going to get you to turn to the right hand side. Let's try these. I'm going to do 5. 2, 3. Try and open up that chest. Pull your shoulder blades back. 4. Last 1. 5. Change over. Left leg forward. right hand on the outside of the leg. Let's turn. 1, 2, 3. You'll feel maybe the front of the hip starting to open up, definitely around the rib cage. 4, last one. 5, good job. Okay, should start to feel nice and loose now. Okay, move my little sheet across in here. So, going to lie face down on the ground now. Chest goes down. This one's going to be a little bit tighter. So, want 2 arms out to the side, lifting your right leg up. Try bring it across your body as far as you're able to, and then back down. You can keep your chin and your chest off the ground. Bring the opposite leg across, back down. Just nice and easy. You will feel a pull in your chest muscles. Maybe your abs might start to get a little bit tight, and your quads. You may not have the range to go there, so even if you're going to get halfway up, that's good. But if you can, stretch the whole way across. Last 2. There we go. And last one. Actually quite tight myself. There we go. Turn back over on your back. Leg comes up. Stretch right across. Let that whole leg fall down. Your whole back is going to roll off it. That's absolutely fine. Come back up. Stretch down again. Good. You may even feel a little pop in the back. Definitely feel a little bit of tightness through the glutes. That's up along in here in the back of the hip. Last 2. Push right across. Good. And last one. Right across. Sweet. Okay. Opposite leg. Knee up. Pull across your body. Good. There's a little crack on my back. Up we come. Pull right across. There we go. It's a good one here for people that are sitting down at a desk, don't get time to stretch after they're in a gym session. And then last one, pull right across. There we go, nice and loose. Now we're just going to stay here for a second, okay? I want to feel that tightness in the back of the glute. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, try and bring that knee closer down towards the floor. Another 2 deep breaths. Try and get the bottom leg as straight as you can. And change over. That's it. Just bottom leg straight, knee across the chest. Breathe out. And last one. Nice. Okay, hips are starting to be loosened up as much as we can. So, all we're going to try now, shake out your legs, step, left hand side, touch 2 hands, come down towards your ankle, bring your chest down as deep as you can. Then step to the opposite side. Try and get a good stretch through these groins. Weight is on the heel, back up. Big step across. Weights on the heel, get a good stretch through that groin, as deep as we can, trying to get that chest down. Change over. Big stretch across. If you can't go down that deep, all we want to see is a step, but then a lean from the hip. So if you lean from the hip, you get a bit more stretch through the hamstring. So let's try that 5 times. Stretch across, lean from the hip, chest comes down, that's 1. Chest comes down, 2. Chest comes down, 3. Big stretch across, stretch comes down, 4. Last one, stretch comes down, 5. Brilliant. Shake it out. Now we're going to go a little bit wider with this. 2 feet as wide as you can get them. I want heels touching the ground. Bring your chest down, try and reach down into the center. If you can't reach down into the center, or if you think that you're not reaching far enough, grab your elbows. And what I want you to do here, slight bend in the knees, reach across, towards one shin, then towards the other shin. Good. Nice and easy, nice and slowly. If you can't get that wide, it's getting too sore in the groins, come back out. Doing 5. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4. Last one. 5. Nice. So, knees up and spread them out. Nice and easy. Let's do 3 more. 2. Last one. 3. Okay. Feet going wider again this time. All I want you to do is be able to have a little squat down into that position and be able to transfer your weight right and left. So I'll just practice there for a second before we go into our reps. So push right across on the left, push right across on the right. Okay, got that? Okay, let's go. We're going to do 8. Reach across, good. Back across, good. Reach across, back across. Okay, left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. 4 more. Left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. Nice. Excellent. We're just trying to figure out what else I got left. Okay. Now, next one, curtsy lunge. So, this one can be a little bit difficult, so if you have a chair beside you, something to hold on with your balance, what I want you to do, step your foot forward, your right knee comes down towards the ground, this side of your ankle. Step back up, repeat that, okay? Right knee comes down, we'll feel a stretch along in the glute. Try not to open up your chest, try and keep it facing towards where your computer or your laptop is. Step up. We're going to try 8. Knee down. 1. If you can't get down fully, it's all right, go halfway down. 2. 3. 4. 5. Back up. 6. 7. Last one. 8. Nice. Shake it out. Down to the right hand side. 1. 2. I'm a little bit tighter on this side. 3. 4. 5. Use your arms for balance. 6. Good. Oh, nearly lost it there. 7. Ooh. And last one. 8. Sweet. Good job. Shake it out, guys. Just got a few more left. What I want you to do now, down on your knees. Just come away from the hips for a few minutes. Down on all fours. Reach your arm underneath and try and bring your shoulder down towards the ground. You'll feel a good stretch in your upper back or the side of your back. Good. And again. Sweet. Really trying to get the back of your shoulder down towards the ground as much as you can. And reach. Good. And reach. Good. Last 2. And reach. And last one. And reach. Good. Little shake there. Just rotate your torso. Just standing on 2 knees. Good. Okay. Last couple now. So, in standing, balance, one leg, grab, heel, try and feel stretch in your quads. If you're not feeling the stretch in your quads, bring it right back behind you. Try and hold there. If you're feeling really good, reach one arm up before, up in front, reach that arm forward, stretch that knee back, and back down. So level 1, just here. Level 2, come back behind. Level 3, reach forward. Pick which one which you're most comfortable with and try and stick with that. Have something again beside you. So if you're standing on your right leg, you can grab your left leg with your left hand, reach back behind. I'm a little bit shaky with this one. Reach that arm forward and come back. And again, 2 more. Oops, losing balance there. Big reach forward and then back. And then last one, big reach forward and come back. Okay, nicely done, guys. That's an example of what we're going to do with some of the classes. Very short one today, just hip mobility, just 10 minutes. Gives you an idea of what we're going to be putting into the programs over the next couple of months. Always welcome for some feedback. Longer, shorter, easier, harder. But any ideas you may have, always welcome to hear them. Best of luck, guys.